Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain the tips to prevent sleeping in the class, or the tips to avoid sleeping in the class. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. First of all, many people, they like to sleep in the class. So by knowing that, I decided to come with some of the tips which will help you to prevent sleeping in the class or to avoid sleeping in the class. The first tip is that make sure that you carry a bottle of water in the class. But not just carrying, but you carry it and you drink it, because staying hydrated will help to keep you active. So make sure, if for those people who they like sleeping most in the class, make sure that you carry a bottle of water and then you drink it. Drinking it will keep you hydrated, and hydration will keep you more active. That is the first tip. Another tip is that make sure that you be active. When you're in the class, make sure that you ask questions, you interact with your professor, and make sure that you're not afraid of asking questions. By doing that, you'll be active and you prevent sleeping. Okay. Another tip is that make sure that you sit in front of the class. For those people who are sitting at the back, those are the people, most of the people they like to sleep, who are sleeping in the back because the lecturer cannot see them and they're afraid to do whatever they want. But for the people who are sleeping in front, it will be difficult for them to sleep because they see like the teacher or the lecturer is watching them. So if you want to prevent sleeping, and if you know that you are those people who like sleeping so much in the class, make sure that you sleep in front of, make sure that you sit in front of the class, and you see an improvement. Okay. Another tip of preventing sleeping in the class is make sure that you carry chewing gums. Having or carrying chewing gums in the class will keep your brain more active, and when you chew in the class or eating bubble gums, it helps to keeping your brain more active and also will prevent sleeping. Another tip is that if you feel sleepy, make sure that you go at the back and you walk around. You refresh, or you go outside, you refresh for a little bit and then you come back. Through doing that will help to prevent sleeping in the classes. Oh, and the last tip is make sure that you do exercises before going to the class. You do some relaxing exercise, taking deep breath. All those are the exercises which will help you to prevent sleeping in the class. So those are some of the tips which will help you to prevent sleeping in the class. If you have any other tip, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment for more healthy videos. Thank you.